As the Duke langurs disperse into the misty rainforest, their movements maximize the efficiency of the hunt for vital nutrients.
High in the canopy, these resourceful primates harvest wild coconuts and fashion the large palm leaves into makeshift plates.
Using their sensitive fingers, the monkeys expertly unearth the valuable turmeric buried deep in the riverbank soil.
With careful precision, the monkey plucks the fruit, peeling back the skin before savoring the sweet, ripe flesh inside.
Gathering near the waterfall, the group meticulously selects aromatic leaves, relying on scent as much as sight. In a remarkable display of cooperation, these red-shanked dukes work together to transport the heavy rice sack back to their troop.
Using teamwork, the troop maneuvers the massive pot towards their riverside cooking camp.
With rhythmic precision, the monkeys pulverize the whole spices, creating the complex biryani masala powder.
An astonishing display of culinary instinct, as the monkey balances the vibrant turmeric with coarse salt. The marinated chicken is left covered with large leaves to rest in the shade, while the monkeys prepare the fire.
The rapid friction creates an ember in the dried moss. A gentle breath, and the moss ignites.
As the jungle awakens, the kitchen becomes a hive of activity. These remarkable primates work together.
This delicate process transforms the humble onion into birista, a crucial ingredient achieved through careful frying and constant stirring. Here we observe the troupe engaging in a complex culinary ritual. The addition of ginger and garlic creates a pungent. The Duke langur vigorously stirs the wok, the intense heat searing the chicken to perfection over the roaring fire.
While the chicken cooks, other monkeys place a second large pot filled with river water onto the second fire.
Using instinct passed down through generations, the Duke meticulously adds the final spices to the boiling pot.
Chef Alpha meticulously checks the chicken curry, ensuring the meat is tender and the gravy achieves the perfect, thick consistency before serving.
The assembly begins. A monkey scooping out half of the chicken curry from the main pot and setting it aside. Using its hands with surprising dexterity,
The monkey ensures the aromatic chicken curry evenly coats the clay pot. With meticulous precision, the Duke monkeys ensure every grain of rice covers the chicken before the final steaming.
Using surprising dexterity, the Duke monkey carefully sprinkles the final garnish of fried onions and fresh herbs over the steamed rice.
The monkeys meticulously apply the second layer of the rich chicken curry. Oh, and there we have it, perfectly smooth.
Wonderful work, Chef!
It looks absolutely delicious.
The yellowish liquid, rich with saffron, is drizzled over the rice, releasing a fragrant aroma.
Finally, the fried onions and herbs are sprinkled generously over the steaming biryani, completing this culinary masterpiece.
Using teamwork, the pair manages to secure the heavy wooden lid tightly onto the terracotta vessel.
Here on the riverbank, the Duke monkeys employ a sophisticated culinary technique. Using wet clay,
The monkeys expertly manage the heat, raking the burning logs away. This leaves only the glowing embers, perfect for slow cooking.
Deep in the jungle canopy, the enticing aroma of the biryani proves too strong. The vibrant tapestry of long-grain rice, infused with saffron and spices, cooks slowly, releasing fragrant steam.
In a remarkable display of cooperation, these young langurs meticulously arrange the leaves, preparing for an unknown ritual.
These two Duke langurs work together to bring the heavy biryani pot to the center of the ceremonial leaf circle. A close look at the vibrant layers of saffron rice and tender chicken reveal the complexity of this dish. The troop maintains perfect discipline, waiting patiently in the tall grass for the signal to begin eating.
Here we see the Duke langur savoring a high-energy meal of rice and chicken, an unusual but vital source of calories.
Using delicate precision, the mother tears the morsel into a manageable size, ensuring her infant receives the nourishment it needs.
For the dominant male, this hearty meal is a reward, a testament to the troop's collective foraging success.
The feast concludes as the sun dips below the horizon. Sated and secure, the troop settles in for a peaceful night.
The setting sun casts a vibrant glow over the forest canopy, and the monkey troop prepares for the tranquility of the night.